Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to assign touch and hold for increasing the volume. So this is very simple and you can do this thing with Hey Melody application support. Here is my Oneplus Buds free and just open your Play Store, then download Hey Melody application. You can see here this is the icon. After download that, open the application and give some permissions like location and Bluetooth. Then connect to the device. After connecting, you will receive this page. Then go to earbud controls. Then you can see here there is three functions like single tap, double tap, triple tap. You can swipe up to see long touch and hold. So open that. Then you can see there is three functions like nothing doing. So second one is volume up, third one is volume down. So you can simply select the left side or right side. I'm selecting the left side. So you can simply assign that volume up. So if you touch and hold, it will be increase the volume. Actually it is little bit slow, like it will be increase like 1 2 3. So there is a delay or increasing or decreasing sound while you touch and hold, but actually it is working smoothly. So in this way you can simply assign that long touch and hold to volume up. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.